Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search up a specific location on the WeatherChannel application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your left corner and you will see a search symbol there. Press on it. And here on the search bar you can write either a city name or its zip code. For example, Yash. And you can see usually the first option is what you need to select, and after doing so you can see that it was changed to that specific location, and all you have to do is scroll down and see every detail about the weather that you want to see. And pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.